welcome back to my channel. Hi. So I'm going to attempt to do a makeup look. Well, I'm gonna attempt to do like a snake, like on both sides. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Then if I can't, then I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to cut off right here because I'm gonna do my base off camera, because I usually do the same shit that I do every video. So yeah, so I'm gonna come back with my base done, my eyebrows done, and probably one of my eyes done, so I already know what I'm going to do. So I'm back. Okay, I'm done with one eye, as you can see. So first I went into the Alien palette, and I went into Tall Gray. Let me see if I can do it. And I got a mix of Gravity and Martin Soil.
You may put it a little bit higher.
And then I took Black Hole and I just tapped it in the corner. Then we're gonna take Blood Sugar and we're gonna go into Prick. And I'm gonna do liner off camera because it's hard. Okay, so I added a little bit of glitter to it, and so we're going to outline how we're going to do the snakes, I guess. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go fill it in the rest of it. I'll be back. Okay, kind of shadowed it in also, so yeah. So I wanted to make this one red, this one black. So yeah. So we're gonna take the Alien palette just to like set the so I used black hole to darken it up, and I also used tall gray as the shadow, and for the shadow on this side I use Gravity, and on the other side I use a mixture of Gravity and Titan. So we're gonna take, do I want to do the blood sugar? Yeah, I guess. We're gonna take cherry soda. Okay, I'm low-key scared. Y'all pray for me. We're gonna take a little bit of prick to like highlight the places.
If it does.
Honestly, we can like darken up the spots with extraction.
That's perfect.
Okay, so like I'm doing like the lined red snake, the the one that has like the white, the and the black. I'm not really gonna go into detail. I'm just put where I want to put the stripes at, and then I'll do them off camera. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. And now we're gonna be doing the black lines. And for this side, we're doing red, so we'll do that in a minute. Oh, we're using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Weirdo. And Yeah, we're gonna use the Morphe M124. You want to be very careful. And I don't know why my phone is pointed up. I keep on adjusting it and it keeps on going up, so I am sorry. And if you do make mistakes, you can go back and fix them. And then we're just gonna take the Morphe M250-1 because I wanted to do like a little I was gonna say smile, but it's not a smile. Mouth. Oh no. Don't worry, we're gonna fix the mistakes. And as for over here, it was just gonna be the red. Jeffrey, hi, how are you? Do I want to take this one? Maybe we'll do a little bit of that one. And the Dose of Colors Strawberry Pop. And then we're just gonna take a little bit of Drug Lord so we can mix that a little bit so it can be like a pink color. Yes. So I can put that in the inside over here. Oh, and that's the mouth. Yes, I made it a mouth. Then when it dries, we'll go back and draw the teeth. The tongue's not that bad, I guess. Yes, it might look bad right now because I'm still learning how to do this shit. So don't come for me, please. I'm just gonna do some final touches and fixes, so give me a minute. Honestly, I hope I get better at this because I want to be better. And since you know it's snake theme, I think Karma would be a good choice. Probably not. Probably, I don't know. Honestly, I think the black one came out better because of this one, like I had to do like a, you know, I don't know, but I like this one better. Probably because I didn't have to do a lot of shit on it. So this is a horrible finished look. I will practice a lot, and if and when I get good, I will try to redo this, cause no. Okay, so it's like 12 or something, and it took me like 2 hours to do this. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some pictures, and then after that I'm gonna wash this off, and then I'm gonna go to sleep or stay on my phone for like an hour or two and then go to sleep. But yeah, I hope you guys semi enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. And thank you for 15 followers. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and good night. Or if you're watching this in the morning, or good morning, and if you're watching this in the afternoon, hello, good evening. But yeah, bye. Y'all, I tried so hard to do this, and this like took me 2 fucking hours, and like this, like, no sis, this one I like it because it's more simpler and I didn't have to do a lot. Snakes, bitches. But yeah, I don't like this one, and I like how I did my eyes and that one, but not this.